our video on our bookings map. You can use your property map to help staff pick the best site for your guests. Simply go to your Maps page in New Book and upload a photo of your map. Once you click Save, you can then add your map markers. You can select your sites from the drop-down, then place them on the map. These can be points, rectangles, or circles. Your bookings map can be a great alternative to your bookings chart, especially for new staff when making new bookings, as they may not know your property layout, or just to ensure your bookings are spread out across your sites. You can set the guest stay dates and any restrictions to see which sites are available. Staff can click the sites to view rates, add a booking, or start a group booking. For additional assistance in setting this feature up, or for any other FAQs on this feature, simply click the question mark icon on the top right to check out our helpful knowledge base for detailed step-by-step guides.